Alright, the very first thing is that I have to convert the word equation into a mathematical statement. So the measure of one angle of a triangle is double the measure of the second. So let's say my first angle is x. What I have to do is I have to find out the largest angle of the triangle. So my first thing would be to keep the first angle x, right? To keep it the main one. Okay, it has to be double the second, right? So if this is the double of the second, so the double second has to be half of it for sure, right? Okay, and 15 degrees greater than the third angle. They're talking about the first angle. So if the first angle is 15 degree greater, so I can write angle 3 is equal to whatever this is, negative 15 degrees. Now this thing does satisfy whatever is given in the statement. The first angle is double the second, yes it is, and the first one is greater by 15 degrees, right? So if this is x, so the third one is lesser than 15. It does satisfy the statement, right? I have to find out the largest angle. Now you see, largest would be obviously this x. If I find the value of x, I'll find out the largest angle of the triangle that is asked in the question, right? Because this is half of it and this is 15 degrees lesser than that. So let me use the thing that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So let me combine all the three angles. X plus x over 2 plus x minus 15 is equal to 180 degrees. I have to simplify this equation, and for that I have to eliminate this denominator. So I'll multiply 2 on both the sides. I'll get 2x plus x. If I'll multiply 2 with this term, this and this will cancel out, right? So this will be x plus again 2x negative 30, because 15 times 2 is 30, and this will be 180 times 2 that would be 360, right? Okay, solving for x, these are the three like terms. 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5x is equal to 360 minus, this is minus 30, so we'll add 30 on both the sides. So this is what I'll get. 5x is equal to 390, right? Okay, if I'll solve for x, I'll say 390 over 5, that would be 78 degrees. So the first angle, which is the largest one, so I can say x is equal to 78 degrees. If I have to find out the second angle, right, it's just exactly the half of 78. So angle 2 is equal to 39 degrees. In the same way, if I have to find out angle 3, it's 78 minus 15, right? So that would be exactly 63 degrees. So in this way, we have all the three angles, and we have used the thing that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees.